Hello guys, thank you very much for tuning back to the channel, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing video of a couple of 4K titles I bought in some year-end sales. So last year was supposed to arrive earlier, but due to the holiday season being so busy and all, and the COVID cases, as you may hear, are continuously rising day by day. So for a period of time it was delayed, but finally I already have my hands on it. So let's get into it. What I got is the original trilogy of Spider-Man, the 50th anniversary of Willy Wonka, and the No Unboxed collection. All of which are in 4K ultra high definition. I was really looking to add these titles to my collection since these are really some of my favorite movies of all time. I love them since I was a kid, and I watched them since then and I still do until now. So when I saw a very good deal on each of them, so I went right away and I got them. So that's all guys for today's video. Hope you did enjoy our unboxing today, and plan to actually do further unboxing on each of these ones. So please stay tuned to the channel. So if you're not yet subscribed, please do, and just click on that notification bell and also give me a thumbs up. It will definitely help and support my channel. So until the next one, I'll see you guys. Take care. Okay, bye.